Okay, Algebra 1, this is S1P3. Looking at number 1, which of the following best describes the range of the graphed function? Range is talking about y. So you're going to see how high it goes, and then you're going to notice it has arrows for going down. Okay? So that means it's not ever going to quit going down. But the highest it ever gets is 3. So the way we would write this is there is no bottom, so I don't put anything. Y is less than or equal to 3. So now you got to figure out, well, which one talks about 3? This talks about 0. This talks about everything. This talks about a 3. And this talks about a negative 3. So it's going to have to be C. A sales manager wants to order baseball caps and her company logo for the salespeople attending an upcoming trade show. Unique Uniforms Company charges $17.75 per cap plus a design fee of $30. Logos Direct charges $15.50 per cap plus a delivery fee of $48. For what number of caps ordered would the cost be the same? This is your system. When they start talking about two situations, you're going to turn it into two equations. The first one is 17.75 per cap means times x plus 30. The other one is 15.50 per cap plus 48. We want to know when they would be the same. The same means equal, right? So the first one goes at y1 and the second one goes at y2. So go to y1, clear it out. And we're going to say 17.75 x plus 30. And we're going to say 1550 x plus 48. Then you're going to go second calc, number 5 for intersection. Let it draw, enter, enter, enter. And it tells you 172 is your answer. So x equals 8. So that's your answer. So on your little grid, you're going to say that it is positive, and you're going to go down to 8 and fill in 8. For the graph y equal negative 3x minus 5, which of the statements is not a correct description? Make sure you read that word not. It contains these points. Well, if you want to know what points it has, you're going to go to y equal, clear everything out, and put your equation in. Negative 3x minus 5. You can go look at your table. And I got weird numbers, so we're going to do second table setup until it starts at 0. Now I go to my table. 0, negative 5 works. Negative 1, negative 2 works. 2, 11. Oh, it's 2, negative 11. So if you looked at this, this is good, this is good, this is bad. We want one that's not a description. Is this a description? No, because it had something bad. I've actually found my answer. Now on the day of the real test, I would want you to check everything. And you would discover that all of these did work. For example, negative 2, 1 works. Negative 1, negative 2, and 3, negative 14. So like these were all good. Well, it had to not be correct. For this one, you would need to put it into stat and get an equation. Okay. So I understand you wanting to stop at A. Just be careful when you find that and don't try the others. Okay. DataSafe Company leases online data storage space. A customer can store up to 750 gigabytes of computer files. Okay, there's all kinds of stuff going on, right? So we have an equation. That's what's important out of there. Which statement best describes the information? If the total number of gigabytes stored is more than 750, then every gigabyte stored costs 5 cents. Not everything, only the stuff over 750. If the total number stored exceeds 750, then each gigabyte beyond 750 costs 5 cents. That's good. The first 750 costs 5 cents. No, we're not doing 750 times it. And then every gigabyte is 5 cents. No. So your answer is B. Don't have to worry about this. Which angle of incidence interval best represents when the solar cell's voltage output was at 3.5? Output at 3.5, see where it hits it? It's going to be right here. So is that between 30 and 40, between 50 and 60, between 70 and 80? Or I can't see your other option, so hang on just a second. And luckily, option D said between 40 and 50, and if you'll look, that's right where it is. So D was the correct answer. Okay, that's all for S1P3.